What is going on, everyone? It's Saturday night, and normally I don't work on weekends, but I had to work this weekend, well, at least just today, because something important came up, or at least something important caught my attention. So I'm going to be talking about that today, but before I do, I need you guys to please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. And for the love of God, if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, because I drop content like this every single day on the weekdays. Anyhow, so we're going to talk about Ken Griffin today. I promise I'm going to make it very quick, because I know a lot of you hate Ken Griffin, but I love him because he's the one that's going to make the MOASS possible. And the topic today, I know you guys are going to love it because it involves Ken Griffin being in a little bit of trouble. Well, maybe I'm twisting the story a little bit. Maybe he's going to be in a lot of trouble. Maybe he is in a lot of trouble. So as we all know, the DOJ is probing, into all these short sellers, and they're really paying attention right now. They're getting into people's asses, and Citadel, Ken Griffin, they're up. And the DOJ is about to stick their nose so far up Ken Griffin's rear end that he's going to be able to feel it coming out of his mouth, I think. Now, tell me this, Ken Griffin, Citadel, they were just hiring, They were hiring like crazy, trying to recruit new talent. And all of a sudden, when it's announced that the DOJ is going to be looking into Ken Griffin. Now, before I go any further, let me remind you, the SEC, they can't bring criminal charges upon Ken Griffin or Citadel, We know that from the Jon Stewart interview, but the DOJ can. That's criminal, It's federal, criminal. Yeah, federal charges. And when you do Fed time, it tends to be a lot longer than, just state time. So Ken Griffin and his company Citadel, it would appear that, they may be under the spotlight right now. So what does Ken Griffin do to respond to this? Well, he starts firing people. All of a sudden, there's a mass freaking firing going on. I don't know what that means, I can only speculate, but I want to know your thoughts on that. Why would Ken Griffin start firing all these employees that he just hired? Because he needed all this new talent that he's been searching for several months. Now all of a sudden he's going to get rid of all of them because the DOJ is up his ass. Does somebody know something they're not supposed to know? What's being covered up right now? What's he trying to cover up? I guess that's the question. Is Ken Griffin trying to cover something up? What in the hell is going on? Somebody please explain to me why in the hell Ken Griffin is firing employees while the DOJ is up his ass. Is this a coincidence? I don't think so. And we're going to talk more about this on Monday morning. But until then, I wish you guys a happy weekend. And I'll see you then. Oh, Lord. We're stuck in the water.